Hello everyone, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. So guys, lot of iPhone and iPad users are reported that after update iOS 16, their iPhone weather widget is blank. So in this video, I will show you how to fix blank weather widgets after iOS 16.2 update. You guys know that you can customize this widget and you can add widgets to your lock screen. First of all, make sure that you are using iOS 16 in order to make use of this function. However, what you are going to find is if you add certain widgets, for example weather widgets, then this might appear blank on the screen. So here you can see that in the weather widgets, its blank screen appeared. So now I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue. So we have to go to find the location services permission for the weather app. So this is going to allow the weather widgets to work correctly. First of all, launch the settings app on your iPhone. Now here scroll down and find privacy, then tap on it. Next here tap on location services at the top of the screen. Next here find out weather option and tap on it. Here you can see that weather has been set to never, so that means it never knows exactly where you are. So simply all you need to do is turn on the option while using the app or widgets. And also that's going to give the lock screen widgets permission to access your location. So it's saying that 18 degrees Celsius temperature and will be warmer tomorrow. And also tell us the location. So anyways, that is how you fix the blank weather widgets issue on the iPhone on iOS 16. I hope you found this video helpful. If this video will helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. We'll see you in the next video.